Who wants to go?
Dude, let's take a headless video.
Okay, me.
She wants to do the dance.
We're gonna do a headless video.
A video?
Just do something stupid.
You want the background music? Bottle. Come on.
Victoria, you gotta do it now. Come on!
Yeah, I'll Jose, babe. Do it.
No, I'm not doing it.
Why not?
I'm not doing that.
Okay.
Come on. It's all open for you.
Please. Please.
He fell on his ass.
No, I don't.
Brian, go up there and join him.
No, alright, let's do the headless thing. No more. You ready?
Dance, Brian. You gotta do it on the pole. Come on.
We're doing the headless video.
You ready?
Uh-huh.
You gotta come out of nowhere. Wait. You gotta be chill. You gotta tap me on the shoulder.
Dave's like watching, like, what is Oh my god! Oh, you should do that with, you should do that with me and Chris. Like that.
I'm not doing it too. I'm just recording like I'm not recording.
Just do it with them.
Let me see the video.
Oh, it's like a whole video starting with the poles.
I want to see the video, like.
No, it's the whole thing. It's starting with the poles.
You ran all that together? That was stupid.
Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Alright, do that.
I'm
Tap me on the shoulder and do like.
Oh my god. Okay, my turn. Someone hold this. Alright, Chris,
But
go.
I'm not gonna be able to see what I'm doing. Hold on, can I get a breather?
No.
I was afraid I was gonna trip over something because I could barely see. I had to kind of peek my eye out a little bit.
Hurry up, y'all.
Is it still recording?
Yeah. Lord have mercy, woman.
She's good at that.
Good Lord.
That's not even fair.
She dipped the fuck out. Alright, save it and let's run all this
In
back.
a horror movie. She could be in a horror movie.
That's already gonna be a long ass video as it is.
I'm like.